Hey everyone, what I got here is an Emerson Premium and what I believe they call charcoal black. Story behind this fan. I got this back in 2020 from my Habitat for Humanity restore. Mainly picked this up because I thought it was a Casablanca and I was just so excited. Don't get me wrong, it's nothing disappointing at all. But I figured out it's not a Casablanca at all. It's actually this Emerson Premium. Main thing that I was very confused about when I first saw it were the blade irons, because I'm like, that's nothing I've seen on a Casa before. But after some research, I figured out what it was. Everything that you see here is original to when I got it, except for the shades, because it didn't come with any shades, and this pull chain fob I changed out to be a round one, because it was originally this. It was very dirty when I picked it up. Pretty sure it was laying there for quite a while, or whoever gave this to Habitat just didn't want to clean it. So I cleaned it up real nice, and it's working perfectly. Not sure exactly what year it's from, but that's okay. It's got this beautiful set of oak blades. It's actually oak and not any of those paper veneer blades, or it's at least stacked plywood. Blades are a little warped. Some go higher than others, some go lower than the others, some are just actually warped. Speaking of warped, the flywheel is warped a little bit, but it doesn't cause too much wobble in the fan. Something else that is pretty cool when I put this all together, figured out that this light kit is a three-way light kit, which you will see here in the demo. Something else that I find really cool, like I mentioned earlier, is that uplight. So this fan's kind of important to me. First, I guess, quote unquote, vintage / good, very good fan. First uplight, first Emerson, first K55. It's a lot of firsts. So enough talking, let's just go right into the demo. Alright, here we are in the 4-blade mode, and the light kit is also off. Just for the sake of time, I'm just going to be doing this from 0 to high. Just some final thoughts before I close out the video. Really love this. I would consider this a classic. Something that kind of sucks though is that the bottom of the switch cap is all scruffed up from that light kit. But I'm sure if you were to find matching black paint, then it wouldn't be too hard to fix. Another thing I absolutely love is, of course, this. When I had this in my last apartment, I often had that uplight going at night when Morgan and I would watch a movie or something. Just gives off some nice mood lighting if you don't want too much light going on. I don't know. Don't really have much else to say. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this Emerson Premium. If you did, do all the YouTube things. I'll see you in the next one.